These are the materials we need: 2 pre-cut rabbit sheets, 1 base for the lantern, glass paint, a brush, a stick, all-purpose adhesive glue, gold gel liner, 4 pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, a cup of water, and some kitchen tissues. Here's a list for your reference. Now let's begin the journey with us. First, get one of the rabbit sheets and peel off the protecting seal. Then grab the gold gel liner and snip off the tip just a little bit. You may hold the gold gel liner like this. You may get a pattern like this, place it under the rabbit sheet and trace it. Or you may grab your phone, find the reference that you like and draw it freely. Test it out before you start drawing. Make sure you lift it up at least 1 mm to create thickness. Then you may start tracing it like this. You may then dry it with a hairdryer. Now it's time to paint. Grab your brush, moisture the brush, and wipe off the excess with a kitchen tissue. Please use the paint generously. Grab a big chunk and then spread it out evenly on the rabbit sheets. Once dry, you may start lining the rabbit with the pipe cleaners. You may shape it according to the edge of the rabbit before you glue it on. At this stage, you must make sure your paint is completely dry. Now you may place some glue on it. Wait until it's half dry. Then only you glue the pipe cleaners. You may need to hold it for a while before continue. Do the same until you line the whole rabbit with the pipe cleaner. Chop it off if you have excess. I am ready with 2 sides of the rabbit. Now it's time to assemble them with the base. Remember to remove the protecting seal. Same for the base. Now grab your glue. Make sure the long side of the base will be on the chest of the rabbit and short side at the tail. Line a thin layer of glue on the sides like this. Then you may press it down and hold for around 30 seconds. Once secure, continue with the other side. Place the rabbit down on the table and then press and hold for a while. Ta-da! We are almost there! Again, grab your glue, put some glue on the tip of the ears, and then press it together. Make sure it's secure before you let go. Now get the thread that is tied on the brush. Put it through the back ears of the rabbit. Tie a knot, grab the bamboo stick, and voila! It's all done! Thank you for watching. Do remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See ya!